Hey guys, I'm Greg DeTullio with Give Back Realty. Looking for a new home? How'd you like to move to Florida? Stick with me. This is the Egret Model by ICI Homes. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3-car garage. One of the most popular models that ICI Homes builds. One of my favorite features of this home right off the bat is the 2-car garage to the right and a 3rd-car garage for your golf cart to the left. If you like these videos, please hit like, subscribe, and the alert button. The Egret Model is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and again, a 3-car garage, just over 2,800 square feet. You'll notice right as you enter the home, the huge high ceilings and tons of natural light. To your right, as you enter the home, is your formal dining. Large, big, open floor plan with sliders in the middle. Nice sized kitchen, the large island, and the darker gray cabinets, which are becoming popular during these times. You have large cabinets since the Egret Model does not have a walk-in pantry. And here's your breakfast eating area. Again, lots of windows and lots of natural light. On this corner of the home is 2 bedrooms with a shared bath. Bedroom 1 has a walk-in closet and its own window. And bedroom 2 has a double door closet. These bedrooms share a bath with double vanity and shower tub combo. As you exit this wing of the home, we'll go ahead and head over to the master bedroom. You have a large master bedroom, very spacious, light and bright with big windows. As you enter the bathroom area, you have a his and her closet to the right and left. In the bathroom, you have a standalone tub and a huge shower. Double vanity with lots of drawers and cabinet space. Darker grays and windows at the top for more natural light. You never have enough closet space. You have a linen closet here and the WC. We exit the primary bedroom. We'll go ahead straight across to the office den or your home office. Beautiful high ceilings with beams and lots of natural light. As we exit the office den, you have the single garage door to your left. We'll pass through the kitchen and head over to this wing of the home, which is the entrance from the 2-car garage. You have your guest quarters here. With its own bathroom, shower tub combo. And a double closet. Next to the guest quarters is your laundry room with its own sink and double doors for the AC. As you come out of your garage, there's a cabinet space here for your keys and other items with another window. ICI Homes is one of our favorite builders because they do allow adjustments to floor plans. Currently in the market right now, because of the delay in building, builders are having to build spec homes, and to shorten the process of building permits, buyers are not given the choice to make changes at the moment. This is a model home, and as I say in every video, they're always situated on the best lots, which are that lake preserve view. Gosh, what a beautiful day today here in January in Florida. This is the back of the home. And again, with this amazing weather, outdoor living is essential. This is a gorgeous outdoor kitchen, which of course would be an extra, but certainly necessary. Please hit like, subscribe to my channel, and also alert buttons to notify you when the next video comes out. I would love to be your real estate professional of choice. Please give me a call. This is Greg Tuyo with Give Back Realty. Thanks for joining me.